Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize SendGrid for transactional emails and deliverability step by step clearly. Log in to your SendGrid account. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Settings. Click on the Create API Key button. Name your API key appropriately for easy identification. Ensure you grant the key at least full access to mail send permissions. Click Create and View to generate your new API key. Copy the API key to your clipboard as it will not be shown again. Next, navigate to your domain authentication settings. Click on Sender Authentication in the Settings menu. Choose the Authenticate Your Domain option. Select your DNS provider from the list or manually enter your DNS records. Input your domain name and click Next. Follow the instructions provided to add the necessary DNS records. Make sure to include both the name and TXT records as specified. Once the records are added, return to the SendGrid platform. Click I've added these records to verify your domain authentication. Wait for up to 48 hours for the DNS changes to propagate. After propagation, check the status of your domain authentication. It should confirm that your domain is successfully authenticated. Now, prepare your transactional email templates in SendGrid. From the dashboard, select Templates and then Transactional. Click Create Template and name your new template. Design your email template to suit your branding and audience. Make sure to include dynamic fields as needed for personalization. After saving, go to Settings and select Mail Settings. Enable SPF and DKIM settings for enhanced email deliverability. Consider setting up the dedicated IP option for higher deliverability rates. Once completed, test sending a transactional email using your API key. Monitor the analytics for open and click rates to evaluate performance. Adjust your content and sending practices based on the analytics received. Keep your email list clean to improve engagement and deliverability. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.